Tell him there is a horizontal wet venting,
Uh-huh.
tub, toilet, and sink. That's all horizontal. It's under the test.
Yep.
There
Tap
is
that again to show that water coming out of there. Yep.
there's a Y fitting over here to pick up upstairs bathroom. We can't do that yet because we don't have a sewage ejector pump set it up. So we got sink, toilet, tub, horizontal wet venting. There's a toilet that it's vented first, and then shower, and then we go down here.
Plenty slope.
Plenty of slope, yes. Then we got a combo fitting for a future washer, dryer,
Uh-huh.
and laundry sink.
Yep.
Picking that up. There's my T that it's all hooked up, and then there's a pump. So pump obviously is gonna be hooked up later with a double check or check valve, shut off, and a vent after the concrete is poured.
Okay.
So that's about it.
Looks
Just
good.
Go one more time, like.
That's pretty basic.
Yeah.
No leaking. Okay.